Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off screensaver on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on displayed. Next, swipe up to go down to the bottom and tap on screensaver. In here, you can choose none to turn off screensaver. Otherwise, you can set it to colors or photo table, photo frame, or from our photos from your Google online photos. Now tap on the preview button to have a preview of your screensaver. If I choose photo table, I can tap on the settings icon. In here, I can choose which folders to show in the screensaver. So I can deselect all, I can select all, or I can just select the folders that I want to show. And then tap on the back key, and you can tap on the preview button to have a preview of your screensaver. And that's it. And that is how you can turn on or turn off a screensaver on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now, the screensaver only works when you are plugging your phone into a charger. If it is not charging, you'll not be able to use the screensaver. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.